In the meantime, the whole heap of shootings, robberies, open extortion, and recently murder means that this thing has gone up a notch.
It sounds like you don't listen to the conversation between me and my niece. Because that is exactly what she said, and that she want to do.
Well, you just tell her to be very careful.
Yeah, I get her to talk already.
So, Mr. Wallace, what project are you working on now?
Really, Celine?
Really what?
I'm away for a month. I want to start out by discussing business and projects.
Hello, sir. I never sending away for a month. You decided to stay for a month and didn't have the courtesy to call and explain. So yes, we'll start with projects.
So I guess that's your way of saying I have to start from scratch, right?
You're a smart man.
So I guess that means I shouldn't expect an invitation to come upstairs?
Nope. Not even an invitation. You have to earn that privilege again.
The original plan to insert cleaners into Tony's establishments to get some information is going to go ahead. Because I believe that Tony's fingerprints are all over this. So we'll start there.
And in the meantime, sir,
Mm-hmm.
what we are going to do?
What I tell you to, when I tell you to. Which brings me to this. I'm going to have to reinstate sleep. Which will give you beautiful practice in controlling your temper. It's come to my attention that Carlton is doing business with Tony. So Celine might be the best way to get next to Tony. Everybody squared away? Good. That's a wrap. You don't.
Well, at least there's an opening.
The opening has always been here. It hasn't been filled by anyone. Yet.
Invited to dinner?
Let me think about it.
Silly, not do me that. Not do me that.
Don't do what? You've been naughty. So you have to be punished. I'll let you know when we can do this dinner date.
Silly, you really not let me inside?
Nope. If you want it, you have to work for it.
But silly, a beer island on my back, you know.
Then find a refinery.
Tonya,
Yes, sir.
no more matey visits, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm afraid that Savage will be doing some digging to see how much involvement Tony may have had in his daughter's demise.
What?
Which means when he comes back, we have to keep a tight rein on him, because his attempt to settle old debts can derail everything we're looking